The 2008 Lexus LX570. A symbol of durability, comfort, and refined luxury. Finished in white, it carries a calm and powerful presence. Built to last, built to lead. But over time, even strength shows signs of age. The once clean white paint has become dull. Light scratches and faded areas reduce its smooth finish. The body remains strong and bold, but the shine that defined its elegance feels slightly lost. Still, the identity remains. This is not a full restoration. This is a careful refresh. The process begins with a deep yet gentle wash. Foam spreads across the surface, lifting away years of dust and road wear. Water flows evenly, revealing the true shape beneath. Every panel is prepared with precision, respecting the SUV's strong design. Then comes the refinement. The paint is corrected and refreshed, bringing back a clean and bright white tone. The surface becomes smoother, more even, and more reflective. The LX570 begins to regain its calm, premium look. Slowly, quietly, the presence returns.